Freelance work is a great option if you're looking to set your hours, work from anywhere, or pick up projects that interest you. Many professionals are switching to freelancing as more companies recognize the benefits of engaging independent professionals through job boards like Upwork. One consideration is that market pay rates differ, so you can find better paying freelance jobs to match your experience level. This video will share the top 5 high-paying freelance skills in 2024. Let's dive in. Number 5. Writing and content creation. In the dynamic landscape of digital communication, content creation stands as a cornerstone for establishing and maintaining an impactful online presence. Freelancers possessing adept writing skills cater to the ever-growing demand for diverse content formats. Crafting engaging blogs and articles not only informs but also captivates audiences, contributing significantly to brand visibility and audience engagement. Moreover, the niche skills of technical writing ensure clarity in conveying complex information and meeting the needs of specialized industries. Number 4. Data science and analytics. In the realm of data science and analytics, professionals skilled in machine learning, data mining, and statistical analysis are in high demand due to the increasing reliance on data-driven decision-making in various industries. Machine learning expertise enables the development of predictive models and algorithms, allowing organizations to extract valuable insights from large data sets. Data mining involves the exploration and extraction of patterns from vast data sets, aiding in strategic decision-making. Statistical analysis is crucial for interpreting data and drawing meaningful conclusions. Number 3. Graphic design and multimedia production. Graphic design and multimedia production are critical components of visual communication in today's digital age. Freelancers with expertise in Adobe Creative Suite, encompassing tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, are consistently in demand. These software applications empower designers to create stunning graphics, illustrations, and professional quality videos. The demand for multimedia specialists extends beyond static images, as businesses increasingly incorporate dynamic content into their marketing strategies. Number 2. Digital marketing. In the dynamic landscape of digital marketing, proficiency in key areas such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing is highly valued. SEO involves optimizing online content to enhance visibility on search engine results and improve website traffic and user engagement. Social media marketing leverages platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with target audiences, build brand awareness, and drive traffic. Content marketing focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Email marketing involves crafting effective email campaigns to nurture leads and maintain customer engagement. Essential to monitoring and optimizing these strategies is a deep understanding of tools like Google Analytics. Number 1. Programming and development. In the dynamic landscape of programming and development, proficiency in languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++ remains consistently sought after. Python, known for its versatility, is heavily utilized in web development, data science, and artificial intelligence. JavaScript is fundamental for front-end web development, while Java and C++ find applications in diverse domains, including enterprise software and system-level programming. Moreover, specialized expertise in areas like web development and mobile app development is lucrative due to the ever-growing online presence and mobile technology dependence. Web developers create responsive and engaging websites, while mobile app developers cater to the rising demand for innovative and user-friendly applications. That brings us to the end of the video. Make your 2024 productive by learning some skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Until next time.